Hey guys, I'm Allison.
I'm Yailenis.
I'm Raphael.
And today, they're going to be doing the TWINT Telepathy Slime Challenge.
So I'm gonna leave it to them.
Uh-oh. Don't leave me, Emily.
Oh. And the chat of the day goes to. And all our social media is gonna be on the screen and link in the description down below.
We need help from Allison. We don't know what to do.
So, my mom is always the one behind the camera, so she's never in front of the camera, and if she is, she's with one of us. So this is the first time that they're by themselves on camera. So
We don't know what to do.
yeah, they're like
Is that filming?
Yeah.
So yeah, I'm gonna leave it to them. Just the shout out goes to. So all of our social medias will be on the screen and also linked in the description down below. As my mom said, if you didn't hear her because she was talking very low. So I'm gonna leave it to them. Round one, pick between the big bowl or the small bowl.
This one.
Okay, so now put the bowl that you didn't choose on the floor.
On the floor?
Yeah. No, the one that you didn't choose.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
Round two, we have to pick the glue.
The glue?
Yes. Do you have the glue in front of you?
Kind of.
Oh my god. Okay. I will do this one.
Okay, so now pour your glue in
You
the
pick
bowl.
one?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
No, Daddy, unscrew the lid.
Dad, unscrew the lid.
Oh my god.
No, not like that.
Are you ready to pour the glue?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
The whole thing?
Yeah.
Round number 3, spoons.
White or colorful one? Because I don't think we have the same
You can see what
color.
I'm gonna pick.
How am
Hold
I?
it in front of you.
Move it in front of
Oh, I
you.
got it.
Can you
Oh.
hold it in your hands? Hello. Are you ready?
Yes.
1, 2, 3.
Now put the spatula that you didn't pick in the bowl that you put on the floor.
Okay. Now I think we go to round 4. That is glitter.
Glitter.
We have blue, silver, and pink or purple. Okay, I'm gonna pick this.
Okay.
It goes too little. But it goes. That's good. It feels like putting salt or pepper on your foot.
Okay.
That's it? I'm still doing this. No.
Oh, this
No.
is so pretty.
I'm mixing it already.
Okay, this is my slime so far. Well, the glue and the glitter.
Mine is pretty. I bet you.
Comment down below which one is pretty, his or mine. Okay, now for the activator. I never done slime with tie. I don't know how much I have to put. Can you help me with that?
No.
It's okay.
Thank you.
Just guessing then. Right? Ready?
Little by little then. You know what the part that I don't like?
Of
I don't like to
course.
touch with my hands at all. I don't know when the slime is gonna be ready.
I'll let you know.
How?
I don't know.
Oh, I think it's working because it's coming out of the bowl. You see? That fast?
It's an activator.
Smell good. I'm doing laundry right here.
Smell really good. That's right. So,
Mine is done already,
so
but I don't want to touch it.
Is-
Do
it
I
has
have
to
to
be
touch
with-
it?
it has to be with a spatula all the time?
I don't know. Can someone help me?
No.
Oh my god, I'm getting messy here. I don't like this. Napkins. You know when I'm gonna touch it? When it's not sticky at all. When it's gonna be that, I don't have idea.
You are 2000 and late. I touched you already a long time ago.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh my god, I wanna touch.
Oh my god. That's what I'm saying.
Emily, do you think it's ready to touch? Give me your opinion. Hello? No, okay.
Emily, don't help. You don't need to.
She need to. I'm her mom.
He's my dad.
That's right.
I know that.
I was about
Emily,
to say it.
how I'm gonna know? I have to do that? But I don't wanna put my hands there. This is so tiring. Are you tired?
Let me tell you if it's not sticky. Let me tell you if it's sticky or not. Sticky.
Now what?
No, can't tell you.
Yours is sticky?
Mine is perfect.
I think I have to touch it with my hand then. I'm gonna do it.
Are you?
Okay, let's do this. Let's do it.
It's not working.
Let me do it, let me do it. No, I don't wanna do it. Let me do it, let me do it. did it. Oh my god.
What is wrong with this?
This is so
Telling
sticky.
you.
What I'm gonna do with this now?
Just do it.
How?
Do it.
Look at this. Oh my god, I don't know how to do a slime.
Mine is already almost done.
But look at this. Now I don't know what hands I'm gonna use to put more time. I'm really bad doing a slime.
Don't know what to tell you.
I don't wanna put it in the table. I don't have hands to put more time. What should I do? Can you put more time here, Emily?
Yes, you do.
Jelani, help me. She knows how to do this.
She does?
Yes, she's really good doing a slime.
No way.
I don't think this is a slime anymore.
We'll make a deal with you guys since both of your slimes are really bad.
Oh, he's this bar too?
I'll help Daddy and Allison will help Mommy.
I think it is a little box.
So yours is good. It just needs to be molded better because you weren't doing the best.
How I'm gonna mold all of this? Do you think one day my hands are gonna be clean again?
Honestly, maybe not.
Good.
Okay, so let me put some tide on your hands and then it'll come
Get it
out
better?
easier.
Like that?
Yeah, and then you can just make some slime out of that.
I wanna see his color already.
No,
No, no.
When it's like good, we can see each other's. I'm gonna go like this and I'll rub your
Wait,
hand.
come here.
When I put it in, rub your hand like this.
Oh my. What was that?
What I'm gonna do with all of this? We have been thinking to do this video for a long time, but I will always say next day, because look at this.
It's a mess.
I know it is. I don't have idea how I'm gonna end this. Can I have that to clean my hands with the slime? You see, Alice don't have it in her hand, and they were fine. The slime was fine. Now I have it in my hand. It's falling apart.
Dad's is good.
Look, let me guess. Her color.
Oh, okay. I think his color is blue because that's the idea, telepathy. Mine is blue.
You cheat.
Let me see. Oh, but yours is so pretty. Why is so dark?
Is that blue?
You guys,
Because you use the dark glitter.
you guys got everything right except for the glitter. You got silver and she got blue.
I have silver and you have dark blue. That was the problem. But your hands are clean. Look at mine.
Because I'm good doing this. I gotta help you.
How?
Get this one. Let's fix this.
Cause you
Oh, let me see yours. Oh, yours is nice.
See?
I help Daddy because I'm big.
Yeah.
Just I love you.
Yeah. Loser.
Your hands are hot.
Oh, yeah.
Your hands
My hands are hot.
Cause they're just like.
No!
Getting better, I'm telling you.
No in my face.
Let me see mine.
I have enough with my hands.
I like this color better than mine. Wanna change?
Well, comment down below who do you think did better. Oh, no. Oh, no. Okay, who do you think did better?
Look.
Oh, let me see if I can do that.
Look.
Now you have all of that in the middle.
Look.
Go,
Yes.
Okay, let me see mine.
Try.
Oh, did you hear that?
I don't know how to do it.
Just make it even. Split it up.
Like a pizza.
I'll let the gravity work. It's coming down for real. It's going down for real. Look.
Oh, yeah.
Look.
1.
2, 3, come on,
Ali,
it's
it has
breaking.
to be equal.
Go get help, Mom.
Okay, I got it.
It will be enough to go up a lot, you know.
I got it.
See?
You see?
Coming.
It's coming. I can see you. I don't have the space
There you
here
go.
to play the ball. That's the problem. 2, 3. Oh, I did it. Small, but I did. Light pink or dark pink?
Pink.
Oh.
I was like, what?
Light blue or dark blue?
Or dark
Girls
blue.
versus boy.
Or
Who
man
win?
blue or dark blue.
Comment down below. Look what I'm doing.
What the heck is that?
I don't have idea, but I'm doing it.
There you go. Oh.
I like to play with that, but because this one is not sticky at all. Do you want to mix it together?
not yet. I want to keep something as a souvenir, as something that I never forget. Your face.
No! I can't breathe. I know that. Don't do that to me. Oye, no podía, I couldn't breathe. Te lo juro, yo respiraba y me metí eso para la boca y estaba con la boca abierta.
Oh my God, what you gonna do?
His eyes.
Oh, then do I?
Uh-huh.
Screenshot.
It's coming down.
It's his head mask.
Screenshot. Picture time.
Picture? That's it? It's over?
But think about it.
Feels cold. Cocky, who is this?
Who is that, puppy?
Who is this?
Okay, I think we're gonna say bye. Ay, what?
Oh my God.
Cookie, you wanna say bye? Come here. Come here. So bye guys, thank you for watching. Comment down below if you wanna see another video with this dad and this
I
mom.
can't stop touching this. This is so good.
And Coco, do you want that Coco pick
Actually,
the
this-
slime ingredients? Bye guys, thank you for watching.
Can't stop touching this. Bye guys.
Peace.